Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the AMPlayer application to your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guide, meaning that I will show you every single step that you need to follow on your device to install the AMPlayer application. So please make sure to watch the video right up to the end, and if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Now I want to show you how to download and install the AMPlayer application to your Fire TV device, and as I said, this is a full guide video. Here's my Fire TV device and every tutorial is going to pass on this. So please make sure to watch attentively and follow everything I show you on my screen. So that's it, let's get started. Now the very first step to do on your Fire TV device is getting the download application. The reason is because on my Fire TV App Store, there is no way I can install the AMPlayer because it is not available on the App Store. So what I need to do is to install the download application and use it to install this application. So let's get started. The first thing, go over to the option that says find, and in the search box you are going to search for downloader, since that is the application we are in need of. So go over here and type in downloader. This is a mistake. So go over here and type downloader, or I just simply type T, and I'm going to get a suggestion for downloader, and here's it over here. So I click on this suggestion and it is going to bring me to the download application, which I just simply install to my Fire TV device. It is as easy or simple as this to install the download application to your Fire TV device. Now just give it a moment or a couple of seconds and the application is going to be downloaded and installed to our Fire TV device. Now downloader has been installed. Downloader is the application we are going to be using, so please let's return home after installing the application. Now after installing downloader, the next step or the second step that you need to do on your Fire TV device is to make sure that your device is allowed to install applications from unknown sources. Every new Fire TV device is set to not allow applications to be installed from unknown sources. So before you install applications like this, you need to turn that option on. So to turn on the option that allows you to install applications from unknown sources, this is exactly what you need to do. On your Fire TV device, go over to the option of settings, and here's mine over here, and go over to the option that says my Fire TV. Click on that option and please follow attentively. Now if your Fire TV device is new, you might not find this option here, developer option. You wouldn't find it if your Fire TV is new, but in any case, let me show you how to make this to appear. Come back to the option that says about, click on it, and on the name of your Fire TV device, mine is the Fire TV Stick 4K. On the name of yours, click on the OK button on your remote control 5 times until you see the pop-up that says no need, you are a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then the developer option has appeared, and what you need to do is to come back over here, come to the option and click on it. Now the developer options, there are two options. There's ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. This is what we are interested in. Just make sure this app from unknown sources is turned on. This feature here, or this option, is what allows you to install applications from unknown sources on your Fire TV device. If this option is not turned on, you wouldn't be able to install applications from unknown sources. So please make sure to turn this option on. After turning it on, then we can go ahead now and install applications from unknown sources to our Fire TV device. So we've done two steps. We've installed downloader, we'll make sure that our Fire TV can install applications from unknown sources. So next thing, go over to downloader and launch it. Now if you don't know how the downloader works by you typing in a simple code, and that code can be used to install applications. So go over here and type in this code on downloader, 21254. That is the code, please, 21254. Once you type in this code, you just go ahead and launch. Once you launch this code, it is going to bring you to a page to install an application called APK Time, which is the application we are going to be using to install the AMPlayer. So please come over here, type in that code. I'm showing you a full guide so that in the future, if you follow these steps you are going to see that it is still going to work. So once you go over to this page, you can go over here and download this application called APK Time, which is a mini app store that you can use. It's an app store alternative you can use on your Fire TV device to install applications. I will show you how that works. So go over here and install the application. Just click on download. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and install to your Fire TV device as you've seen me do. Now once you install, click on done. Delete the app file from your Fire TV device because it's unnecessary once you install the application. Then return home. So to return home is simple, and then let's go home and you are going to realize the APK application has been installed. Now why are we installing the APK application? The APK application is what we are going to be using to install the AMPlayer application to our Fire TV device. Now what is the APK application? The APK application is an app store alternative, or I call it a mini app store that you can use on your device, either Fire TV or Android TV, to install applications. This device or this application has lots of applications that you can install. So this is like a mini app store that you can use on your device, especially for applications that you don't find on your app store. So I'll cover here, these are categories of applications. There are a couple of them. You can check out each category and see all the applications that are found in each category. So come over here, take out your time and search. So if you've noticed, I've already showed you how to install Downloader, and also while trying to show you how to install AMPlayer, I have also showed you how to install a mini app store you can use on your Fire TV device. Anyway, let's continue. Now to install the AMPlayer, what you need to do is to go over to the category that says players and browsers. On this category launch, I am going to see two options of AMPlayer, and the good news, they are updated to the latest versions, so do not have any worries. So there are two options. There is AMPlayer for Android TV, see Android TV ad free, and it's AMPlayer for FireStick. So there are two options, please. Since you are using Fire TV, you will need to install the second option. If you come over here and you install the first option on a Fire TV, this wouldn't work on you. So if you have an Android TV, you can install the first option. But since we are doing a tutorial for Fire TV, let's install the second option. So go over here and click on download and allow the application to download. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead now and install to a Fire TV device. It's not going to take a lot of time. This depends on your internet speed. So please, if you are learning something so far, please don't make sure to like and subscribe. So once the application is downloaded, just give it a second, let it quickly download, and then I'll show you how to install on your Fire TV device. Once the application is downloaded, you are going to get a pop-up like this. So all you need to do is go over here and click on install, and the application is going to be installed to your Fire TV device. As simple as that. So here's the application is installing. Now it's done installing. What you need to do now is just to return home, and you are going to see the application has been installed to your Fire TV device over here. So here's it over here. You can launch it now and can start using. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how to install or download and install the AMPlayer application to your Fire TV. Find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share.